What are you doing? Why are you watching me? And how did you get up there? Wouldn't it be better if you came down here and you could see the chickens? You can help me feed them like this. It must be pretty lonely up there with no chickens. Come on down. Here, let me get up and I'll bring you down. Okay. It's okay. Come on. Let's go look at chickens. I think Lebo's gonna go, so I gotta go now. Bye. Lebo. There you are. You're not the outside guy. There's like coyotes and rattlesnakes here that could get you. Okay? Let's go inside.